Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. N.Sameera. In this lecture video, I'm going to show you how to get into the SQLite and how to download the required files for SQLite. First of all, just type SQLite here in Google. Just type SQLite. And go to this www.sqlite.org site. And after that, go to the download session. In that site, go to the download session and just scroll down. And here you can find precompiled binaries for Windows. There, click the third link, that is some SQLite tool Windows 32. This is a zip file. Click that. Now this is going to be downloaded. And let me check that in my downloads. So here I got the zip file in my download session. And now I'm going to extract this file. So just let us open this file. So here we have 3 files, and out of 3, this is our important file. And let us move this file to into some C drive. Let us move this file into some C drive. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it in C drive. So this is my C drive. I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to rename it like SQLite 3. And what I need to do next is to connect the path, to connect this path in the environmental variables. I'm now going to copy this path. So I'm going to copy this path, and I need to set the environmental variables. For that, I need to go to the properties. I need to go to the properties. So this PC, there I can find the properties of the system. So here, go to the advanced system settings. Now go to the environmental variables. And now in the system variable, paste the path here and give the name as a path and click OK. After that, click OK. And after that, click OK. Now the path setting is done, so that we can directly able to execute the SQL commands irrespective of the folder where we have. Now let us check whether the SQLite files are properly downloaded or not, whether we have properly the path is set or not. Now open the command prompt. So here type SQLite 3 command and give enter. So here it gives some basic information regarding the SQLite version, what we are going to use in our system. And here you can take the help of .help command to get into touch with the basic commands in the SQLite. So this is all about how to get into the SQLite. And in the next video, we will see what are all the operators of the SQLite and how we can execute or how we can use those operators in SQLite in the next video. And thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for getting more knowledgeable things. Thank you.